Question 1. Which one of the following is a basic life support system? Options: A. Music system. B. Environment. C. Transportation. D. None of these. Answer B. Environment. Question 2. Which one of the following is created by nature? Options: A. Cars, scooters and buses. B. Mountains, rivers and trees. C. Roads, books, pen and copies. D. All of these. Answer B. Mountains, rivers and trees. Question 3. The domain of water is referred to. Options: A. Hydrosphere. B. Lithosphere. C. Atmosphere. D. Biosphere. Answer A. Hydrosphere. Question 4. What do plant and animal kingdom make together? Options: A. Biosphere. B. Hydrosphere. C. Atmosphere. D. All of these. Answer A. Biosphere. Question 5. Which one of the following animals is called the ship of the desert? Options: A. Camel. B. Goat. C. Cow. D. Dogs. Answer A. Camel. Question 6. When is the World Environment Day celebrated every year? Options: A. The 25th of December. B. The 23rd of June. C. The 26th of January. D. The 5th of June. Answer D. The 5th of June. Question 7. Who interact with the environment and modify it according to their needs? Options: A. Human beings. B. Animals. C. Rivers. D. Mountains. Answer A. Human beings. Question 8. Which one of the following is not a threat to environment? Options: A. Growing population. B. Growing plants. C. Growing industries. D. All of these. Answer B. Growing plants. Question 9. Trade in which goods are trade without money. Options: A. Import trade. B. Export trade. C. Barter trade. D. Commercial trade. Answer C. Barter trade. Question 10. What do plant and animal kingdom make together? Options: A. Biosphere. B. Hydrosphere. C. Atmosphere. D. All the above. Answer A. Biosphere. Question 11. Life-bearing layer on the Earth is. Options: A. Lithosphere. B. Hydrosphere. C. Atmosphere. D. Biosphere. Answer D. Biosphere. Question 12. On blank every year World Environment Day is celebrated. Options: A. The 5th of June. B. The 5th of July. C. The 25th of June. D. The 25th of July. Answer A. The 5th of June. Question 13. Abiotic component of environment is. Options: A. Bird. B. Land. C. Human. D. None of the above. Answer B. Land. Question 14. Who interacts with the environment and modify it according to their needs? Options: A. Plants. B. Animals. C. Humans. D. Rivers. Answer C. Humans. Question 15. Blank revolution made blank speedy across the world. Options: A. Information, communication. B. Data, communication. C. Information, conversation. D. Data, conversation. Answer A. Information, communication. Question 16. Lithosphere is made up of. Options: A. Soil and minerals. B. Rocks and minerals and soil. C. Minerals, soil and water. D. Water and rocks. Answer B. Rocks and minerals and soil. Question 17. Which is not a natural ecosystem? Options: A. Desert. B. Fishing pond. C. Forest. D. None of the above. Answer B. Fishing pond. Question 18. Which among the following terms of utmost significance in the dynamics of resource management was coined in the Brundtland Commission report? Options: A. Polluter pays principle. B. Sustainable development. C. Inclusive growth. D. Carrying capacity. Answer B. Sustainable development. Question 19. Which of the following is created by the nature? Options: A. Books, copy, pencil. C. Mountains, rivers, trees. C. Hospital, roads, bridges. D. Car, scooter, trains. Answer C. Mountains, rivers, trees. Question 20. Who interact with the environment and modify it according to their needs? Options: A. Rivers. B. Animals. C. Mountains. D. Human beings. Answer D. Human beings. Question 21. Human beings blank with the environment and modify it according to the blank. Options: A. Need, goods. B. Interact, goods. C. Interact, needs. D. Goods, needs. Answer C. Interact, needs. Question 22. A blank is necessary between the natural and human environment. Options A. Perfect balance. B. Imperfect balance. C. Perfect imbalance. D. Imperfect imbalance. Answer A. Perfect balance. Question 23. Which is not a component of human environment? Options A. Land. B. Religion. C. Community. D. All of these. Answer A. Land. Question 24. The blank holds the atmosphere around the Earth. Options A. Atmospheric pressure. B. Pressure. C. Gravitational pressure. Answer C. Gravitational pressure. Question 25. Blank is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the Earth. Options A. Atmosphere. B. Land. C. Lithosphere. D. Biosphere. Answer C. Lithosphere. Question 26. Atmosphere is. Options A. It is the liquid crust or the hard top layer of the Earth. B. It is the thin layer of air that surrounds the Earth. C. It is the thick layer of air that surrounds the Earth. D. It is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the Earth. Answer B. It is the thin layer of air that surrounds the Earth. Question 27. Blank must learn to live and use their environment in a harmonious way. Options A. Animals. B. Plants. C. Humans. D. Birds. Answer C. Humans. Question 28. Which of the following is not the major domain of the Earth? Options A. Troposphere. B. Biosphere. C. Lithosphere. D. Hydrosphere. Answer A. Troposphere. Question 29. The domain of water is referred to as. Options A. Lithosphere. B. Ecosystem. C. Biosphere. D. Hydrosphere. Answer D. Hydrosphere. Question 30. Which of the following is biotic? Options A. Plants. B. Land. C. Water. D. Soil. Answer A. Plants. Question 31. What is the source of mineral wealth? Options A. Atmosphere. B. Lithosphere. C. Biosphere. Answer B. Lithosphere.
Question 32. The domain of water is referred to as. Options A. Hydrosphere. B. Atmosphere. C. Lithosphere. Answer A. Hydrosphere.
Question 33. Who protect us from harmful rays and scorching heat of the sun? Options A. Mechanical force. B. Gravitational force. C. Atmosphere. Answer C. Atmosphere.
Question 34. Which of the following is natural environment? Options A. Hydrosphere. B. Economic. C. Industries. Answer A. Hydrosphere.
Question 35. When is the World Environment Day is celebrated? Options A. The 5th of January. B. The 5th of July. C. The 5th of June. Answer C. The 5th of June. Question 36. What is Environa? Environa means. Options A. Environment. B. Aquarium. C. Neighborhood. Answer C. Neighborhood. Question 37. Which one has solid crust or the hard top layer of the Earth? Options A. Lithosphere. B. Hydrosphere. C. Atmosphere. Answer A. Lithosphere. Question 38. Plant and animal kingdom together and made. Options A. Atmosphere. B. Hydrosphere. C. Biosphere. Answer C. Biosphere. Question 39. Which one has the thin layer of air that surrounds the Earth? Options A. Atmosphere. B. Biosphere. C. Hydrosphere. Answer A. Atmosphere. Question 40. The word environment derived from the French word environment, which means. Options A. Brotherhood. B. Neighborhood. C. Childhood. Answer B. Neighborhood. Question 41. Which is not a component of human environment? Options A. Land. B. Religion. C. Community. D. All of these. Answer A. Land. Question 42. Which is not a natural ecosystem? Options A. Desert. B. Aquarium. C. Forest. D. None of these. Answers B. Aquarium. Question 43. What is solid crust of the Earth is called? Options A. Atmosphere. B. Lithosphere. C. Crust. D. All of these. Answer B. Lithosphere. Question 44. World Environment Day is celebrated. Options A. The 5th of January. B. The 5th of June. C. The 5th of August. D. None of these. Answer B. The 5th of June. Question 45. Bhartiya life support system among the following. Options A. Transportation. B. Music system. C. Environment. D. Both A and B. Answer C. Environment. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. 1. Hydrosphere is a part of. Answer: biosphere. 2. Two main constituents of environment are, and. Answer: natural, man-made. 3. Is the hard top layer of the Earth. Answer: lithosphere. 4. Modify the natural environment. Answer: human beings. 5. Is our basic life support. Answer: environment. 6. Water, plants and animals comprise. Environment. Answer: natural. 7. Is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the Earth. Answer: lithosphere. 8. System is a trade in which goods are exchanged without the use of money. Answer: barter. 9. Revolution enabled large-scale production. Answer: industrial. 10. Information revolution made easier and, across the world. Answer: communication, speedy. 11. A perfect balance is necessary between the natural and environment. Answer: human. 12. Natural environmental comprises and conditions. Answer: biotic, abiotic. 13. Change in environment produces change in. Answer: weather. 14. Human environment reveals the end among human being. Answer: activities, creations and interactions. Write whether the given statements are true or false. 1. Landforms are found only over continents. Answer: false. Landforms are found not only over continents. 2. Trade in which goods are exchanged without the use of money is called barter system. Answer: true. 3. Gravitational force of the Earth holds the atmosphere around it. Answer: true. 4. No life can exist in biosphere. Answer: false. Life can exist in biosphere. 5. Abiotic environment consists of living organism. Answer: false. Biotic environment consists of living organism.